So if the formula of Gay Lussac's law is P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2, let us identify what is P1, what is P2, what is T1, what is T2. So P1 here stands for initial pressure, T1 is the initial temperature, P2 is the final pressure, and T2 is for the final temperature. Alright, so this time let's have the application of Gay Lussac's law. The general equation for Gay Lussac's law is P1 over T1 equals to P2 over T2. Now let's have sample problem. A sample of gas confined in a steel cylinder has a pressure of 1 atm at 27 degrees Celsius. Calculate the pressure if the temperature is raised to 67 degrees Celsius. Now for the given, we have the following. Initial pressure is equal to 1 atm. And then initial temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. But you have to convert that to Kelvin, so you have to add 273, and that will become 300 Kelvin. Then we also have the final temperature, which is 67 degrees Celsius. Then again, you have to convert that to Kelvin, so you have to add 273, so that will become 340 Kelvin. And the unknown for this problem is the final pressure. Alright, so this time we're going to derive the formula of P2. So first step, you have to apply the cross multiplication. P1 times T2 is P1 T2, and then P2 times T1 is P2 T1. And then the unknown is P2, so we're going to encircle P2 here, encircle, and then we will divide both sides of the equation by T1. Divide both sides of the equation by T1 and cancel out these units here, a variable. So the formula for P2 will be equal to P1 times T2 over T1. So next step that you're going to do is plug in the given to the formula. So P1 is 1 atm, T2 is 340 Kelvin, T1 is 300 Kelvin. So we're going to cancel out Kelvin, and the remaining unit is atm. So next thing that you're going to do, multiply 1 atm to 340 and then divided by 300. So your final pressure will be equal to 1.13 atm. So let us analyze our answer. The temperature a while ago, we have 300 Kelvin for initial and 340 for final. So that means the temperature increases. What about the pressure? Our initial pressure is 1 atm, and our computed value of pressure, final pressure, is 1.13. So we can say that there's also an increase. So we will write here pressure increases. And that is true for Gay Lussac's law because they are directly proportional. Pressure and temperature are directly proportional. So as the pressure increases, temperature increases, or as the temperature increases, the pressure increases, and vice versa. All right.